Jerome Powell tanked everything yesterday. It was horrible. It sucked. I hated it. Look, he came up on the stage and he basically started talking and everything dumped. Bitcoin was doing well right before he started talking, just like I kind of told you guys it would, all the way up here at $39,000. And then, hopefully you took profits here. I didn't even see this. So unfortunately, right after he started talking, everything started dumping. So let's do a recap of what he said, why everything started dumping, and let's try to talk about what's going to happen in the future. And then let me just give like a shout out to all the sissies out there, because a lot of you guys are sissies. So if you're not a sissy in this market and you're ready to actually make money in this market, even though everything seems to be against us right now, if you're like one of the people that's in it for the long haul, you're not one of these little like, oh, it didn't work out, I'm gonna blame everybody else, then go to the video. All you have to do is go here. You see this little button? Hit it. Please smash the like button for me, because in every way possible, people are getting discouraged right now. People are leaving the markets. People are like blaming everyone else. So if you're one of the people that's actually positive and actually going to make something for yourself, you need to smash the like button on every single video. Okay, please do that for me. All right. So what happened yesterday? Obviously, you can just go read my Twitter. It just happened live. So they released this press statement before the press conference, okay? And so when they released the press statement, everything went well. As you can see here, I even tweeted this at 2:07, where everything was going really, really well. And it was like, if you just look at the Bitcoin chart, we went all the way up here to $39,000 before Powell even got on the stage. But I did warn you guys yesterday that if it got a little bit too hot, if we got a little bit too high before Powell came on the stage, maybe take some profits. The unfortunate thing is I was doing a live AMA with my 2+2 Genesis squad, which was amazing and fun. I'm not saying that was unfortunate, but I didn't even see this candle. I never actually saw this on my exchange, so I never had the chance to, I don't know if it just was on a different exchange or whatever, but I never had the chance to sell here. Otherwise, my plan was to sell close to 40K before Powell got on the stage, but I didn't even see it. So whatever, I missed it. He got on the stage and he was talking, everything was going fine, and you can just go read my tweets, but like it was fine, everyone was panicked, everything was like, he basically at the beginning said, look, we haven't made any decisions, and that was great, and the market was liking that. And then like 14 minutes into his speech, he started being a lot more negative. He started saying a lot more hawkish things about, basically slowing down the money printer. If you've seen this meme, he started to really talk about, we don't care about the markets going up, is basically what he said. I'm just going to translate. I can't even, it's so annoying because his speech, like, look at this. If you go read all the recaps, they use all these words like reducing the balance sheet and we have to walk a tightrope and the economy no longer needs sustained levels of monetary policy support. Like, listening, it's just so annoying because everyone and their mother was listening to this old man talk, and he was quite literally saying things in such a way that they were phrased in such a way that no one could understand what the hell he was saying. Like, just speak plainly, dude. This is why no one likes politicians. If you watched this speech yesterday and it was just frustrating to you, will you please smash the like button for me so that we can all be together in our pain? Like, he was just talking and I was like, what the hell, man? Shut up. All he said was, guys, I don't give a shit about the market. I don't care that the NASDAQ is dropping. He was like, it doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is inflation. What matters to me is that we have an election coming up and people do not want their eggs to cost $19,000 by the end of 2022 because we'll never get re-elected. He's like, let your stocks go to effing zero. I don't care. Let your Bitcoin go to effing zero. I don't care. He didn't say it that drastically, guys, but I'm just trying to like say exactly what he was saying, okay? So the markets didn't like that, right? Bitcoin's actually held up pretty well here, and that's nice. We're around $37,000 still here. We're at least higher than we were before everything dumped down, so that's nice. But what do I expect to happen going forward? Okay, it's very, very simple. I'm just gonna show you on this chart. Do you remember back in the summer when we were literally stuck between, look at this is like $40,000 right here. You guys know I don't usually draw squiggly lines, but this one is so obvious, okay? Like even your mom could draw this line and she doesn't even know anything about crypto, okay? $40,000 and $28,000 right here. Look at this. This is where we were stuck. It's not even a straight line, okay? Look at that. We were stuck between these levels forever, and it looks like we're going to be stuck there again. In my opinion, we do not have enough momentum now that Powell has shit on everything. We do not have enough momentum to get above 40,000. We also probably don't have enough momentum to get below 30,000. So we're probably just going to go like this for a while until we get another catalyst, until we get some more lighter fluid on this Bitcoin network to help us out here, okay? So all I'm thinking about, honestly, is number one, Powell's a dick. Like, I wish you would have actually just helped us out a little bit yesterday. Number two, what is going to be the next catalyst, right? And so Pentoshi and everyone's already thinking through this ahead of time. Like, this is what smart traders do, guys. You have one thing happen. Everyone kind of expected us to pump on Powell's statements. We didn't. So what are we doing next? And so he's talking about how El Salvador is mining Bitcoin. It sounds like Russia is going to be mining Bitcoin. He says, if that happens, the suddenly then all at once thing comes to mind, where there is so much demand for Bitcoin all of a sudden, right? If Russia starts really wanting Bitcoin, that means that bigger, like, that's a big country. That's a global power, right? If they start wanting Bitcoin, then everyone's going to start wanting Bitcoin, and that's going to override anything that this guy's doing. Like, I know the money printer right now is the most important narrative, and this is why I don't think we have enough momentum to break 40K right now, because the money printer is slowing down. However, if we get Russia in, that's going to override every single thing that this guy is doing, okay? Does that make sense? So we're looking for Russia. We're looking for other catalysts like Tesla, like other big companies adopting Bitcoin, sure. But in the meantime, what are we doing? We're trying to make money in this market. And so what I'm personally going to be doing, you can do whatever you want, I'm not your financial advisor, is following really smart traders like Pentoshi and basically buying low and selling high. I think this range is going to hold us. So all I'm going to be doing is trying to buy some altcoins and some strong altcoins. We'll talk about that in a second. Down here, 30K, 28K Bitcoin range, buy really small altcoins, that really strong altcoins down here, and sell them toward the top of the range up here, right? And so if I'm able to do that, number one, that would be a nice gain even if I was just trading Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it'll be an even nicer move if I'm trading Phantom. That's basically my plan, guys, because Phantom yesterday, let's just go to the Phantom chart, because a lot of you guys made a lot of money this week, even throughout, even though Powell didn't do exactly what we wanted. I told you guys 3 days ago, and go back and watch the video if you don't believe me. I literally said in this video right here, this coin will make millionaires by Wednesday. And when I was saying that, what I was doing is I was buying Phantom down here at $2. Okay, I bought a bunch of Phantom. You guys can go look. I literally posted the trade, okay? I got a text bubble popping up. Why? Okay, I was buying Phantom right here at $2, okay? And then we went all the way up, and check this out. This is crazy. I missed this too. It didn't show up on my exchange yesterday. I don't know why. Maybe I need to use a different exchange, but it came up here, and it came all the way up to $2.59. Oh! I wish I would have sold it all right there. I mean, I sold it around $2.31, which is still a pretty good gain. But like I would have gone from let me see, what percentage gain was that? 36% gain in 2 days, 3 days. Oh, so let me know in the comments if you actually made that trade and got out at that price, because that's amazing. But basically all I did was I used the Bitcoin chart, right? And I decided to buy it because of the Bitcoin price. And I used the bounciest altcoin. Phantom is the bounciest altcoin right now. And so that's what I'm probably going to keep doing. I'm going to keep buying Phantom down here below $30,000 Bitcoin. Whenever we come to the bottom of the range, I'm going to buy some Phantom. And then whenever Bitcoin goes back up to the top of the range, I'm going to sell some Phantom. And I'm going to make a ton of money. And so you guys can come along and follow along. And so a lot of you people are probably like, Kale, what about all the other ones? What about like Altura and D-Race and all these other coins you talked about? Okay, so I need to like talk to you guys. I need to have a heart to heart with all of you people here, because it's a struggle. It's hard for me every single day to get up and have the energy to make these videos when I just see so much negativity. And Kale, what about this and this? And you're an idiot. You thought that this one was going to the moon, but it didn't. You're an idiot. You know what, dude? Like, oh my God. If you can't look at this chart right here and think that no one was correct, right? Here's what everyone thought. I'm going to draw it for the last time, and then I'm probably never going to talk about it again, because there's so many idiots in the comments. You don't even deserve me to explain this, because you're so stupid. Okay, look at this. This is what everyone thought was going to happen. Straight up into the parabolic. I mean, that's not even right. Let me just draw it correct so that everyone is right, okay? So $100,000 Bitcoin is up here. This is how crazy everyone was back in November. Everyone, not just me, everyone. Okay, look at this. This is the target, right? Everyone thought this is what we were going to do. This right here. Look at that. Look at how imagine if the chart actually looked like that. Plan B is talking about it. Raul Paul is talking about it. Everyone was saying this was inevitable. This was the worst case scenario. You guys remember laser eyes? Everyone was saying laser eyes until 100K. So you can't sit here and be like, Kale, it didn't go where no shit. If Bitcoin would have went up to 100K, all of those coins would have went absolutely bonker insane. And that is a fact, okay? Here's the issue though, guys. It didn't happen. So what do you want me to do? Sit here and tell you, oh, it's still gonna, no, it's different. Look what happened. It's the literal opposite. It's like opposite day happened, and you're still sitting here on Twitter and in everyone's comments, and you're complaining and bitching and moaning, and you're like, hey, Kale, my coin didn't go up. What do you want? It's like you were on a boat headed for freaking for London, and instead the boat turned around South America and went to China. And you're like, Kale, I'm not in the same place that I thought I was supposed to be. No, really? All right, my rant. Sorry, guys. I just have to say that one more time. Can you please smash the like button if that makes any sense to you? Because I love all those coins. All those coins that I talked about way back in the day. Man, I still love them. I still think they're great projects. But the issue is that if Bitcoin doesn't go up, and Bitcoin isn't in a bull market, and right now Bitcoin isn't in a bull market. It is in a downwards bearish trend. Until we get that line flipped around, until Russia starts buying Bitcoin, right? Or something pushes us back up. Those coins are not where your money should be, right? Just for the record, I still hold bags of Altura and D-Race and Phantom and Ethereum and Bitcoin, and those are in my like never touch it, never sell it, hold it forever bag, okay? And those ones, I don't even care. I'm not even watching the price. I'm literally just holding it there. And that's always a good strategy. So if you have some of those coins and you really believe in those projects, you should hold them and just hold them for 10 years and you're going to be very, very happy, in my opinion. I think after a long time, 5 to 10 years, 3 to 5 years, wow, you're going to be so happy. But in the short term, when we are in a downtrend, if you are sitting here saying, Kale, what's happened to this coin? You need to listen to what I'm saying. Things have changed, okay? I'm playing the levels, and I lost my levels because I was too busy drawing this, but the level between 30K and 40K is the move right now. Buy at the lower level and sell it at the higher level. And hopefully, if you want to be the safest possible, just buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, okay? Buy Ethereum around $1,800. Pentoshi says he thinks we're going to get to $1,800. I think that would be an amazing time to buy Ethereum. I'm going to buy a bunch of Ethereum around $1,800. So my personal plan is to not buy Bitcoin because it doesn't move very fast, and I never really do very well with that. Whenever Bitcoin gets to about $29,000, buy a bunch of Ethereum and buy a bunch of Phantom. Maybe even buy Phantom ecosystem coins if you're a crazy person, right? And then we wait like a cat in the night, like a liger, like a freaking tiger. We wait for this trend to go back up. We wait for people to start calling for 100K again. Look at this. We wait for this to actually look like it's going parabolic, and you will know. And here's how you will know. Remember, let's look at some other times where we've gone parabolic in the past. Come on, chart. I need you. Okay. Some other times where we've gone parabolic in the past, what was the difference? Why did we go parabolic there? We have to think about this logically, okay? So this one right here, right? This parabolic run right here, what was this? This narrative was COVID, right? COVID got the absolute low in, money printer go burr, and that's why we went up, right? Okay, and it was Elon, okay? So we had two things. We had the initial push, and then Elon bought right here, and we had another parabolic run. Elon changed his mind up here, and we went down. What did it take? What did it take for us to have another parabolic run up this one right here? Well, it was the ETF. The ETF was what pushed us that way, right? Does that make sense? This is all about news. This is not about your squiggly lines, guys. Now we've come down, right? It's literally this simple. I'm gonna draw it one last time just for everyone so everyone understands, and you can finally just like, everyone's like, what's happening with Bitcoin? You can explain it in like 3 words, okay? Ready? Here we go. First parabolic run. COVID. This right here is COVID, okay? This is why COVID and the money printer go burr got us up to here. From here to here, this parabolic run, what was that? That was Elon Musk and Tesla. Okay, when we went down, what was the narrative? What caused us to go down? It was Elon again. It was Elon and freaking energy. Elon and all the energy FUD, okay? Elon FUD, China FUD. It was just FUD central, okay? That made us go down. Okay, then what made us go back up was another narrative, which was the ETF, boom, okay? ETF. Everyone thought we were going to 100K. We didn't go to 100K. So why didn't we go to 100K? Because of inflation. I'm going to put CPI, okay? There you go. You have the story of Bitcoin the past 2 years played out in like 3 words. If you want to tell anyone about Bitcoin, just screenshot this video right now. There you go. Can you see it all? Okay, look. COVID, Elon again. ETF, Inflation data, money printer, don't go burr. So what is the next narrative going to be? We need to have our eyes like a hawk, like a freaking, we need to be focused. And so in my opinion, I think it's going to be something like Russia, maybe Tesla again, maybe another company buying it that gets us to have this narrative. In the meantime, we're just going to chop along until we get this narrative. If that doesn't make sense to you, you're not very smart. I really feel bad for you. I forgot the whole video to check out the show sponsor. They are the exclusive show sponsor. I don't take any links. I don't take any paid things. I've never taken $1 from anyone besides BlockFi because I believe in them. I have a ton of money with BlockFi earning interest, and I just think it's the best place to earn interest and not worry about your coins. You don't have to worry about losing your hardware wallet and all that crap. Just put your money in BlockFi, earn up to 9%, and earn $250 in rewards. BlockFi.com/Kale, and make sure you check out our NFT project, guys. We're building a freaking incredible community that is literally, I'm literally in there all the time. So if you'd like to talk to me on a more personal basis, you know, jump in there. But anyway, guys, I hope you like this. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you smash the like button and support a channel that's trying to be honest with you and giving you the truth instead of like just, I'm a moon boy forever. I've tried to adapt with you guys. I really have tried. I literally am not doing this for views. I'm literally trying to tell you exactly what I'm thinking and exactly what's on the market. If you can't believe that, if you can't see that in my eyes and in my tone of voice, then you just, I don't know. I feel bad for you. Whatever. Go watch some other channel. Have a great day. Bye.